You're welcome to this video on how to upload feeds on the SchoolTry portal. As a teacher, one of the great features of SchoolTry is you have the ability to upload feeds and to keep parents and even the school as well updated of the activities going around in your class. So how do you intend to do this? The first thing you have to remember is you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This means a lot to us because this video was created specifically for you to know your way around SchoolTry and get to enjoy the features and intricacies that comes with SchoolTry. So in this video, we're going to be showing you how to set a feed and also how it will also look like on the application. That is, how to set a feed and also how it will look like on the mobile app. So let us go. The first thing we need to do is to log in into our dashboard, which is DMS Model School. The dashboard we use for this tutorial video is DMS Model School. So you click on your link that takes you to your admin dashboard, or even as a teacher as well. You could have just done this as a teacher, but as an administrator, you have ability to do almost anything because you control other controllers. So what you need to do is come to teachers panel. I repeat, teachers can also upload feeds, but we are going to be doing this as an administrator. So come to the left side of this window, these three dashes. Click on the three dashes. You see dashboard, manage roles. After manage roles, you see sub-admins, manage users, create class groups, manage sessions, manage classes. Under teachers panel, then we have manage feeds. You click on manage feeds, and after you click on manage feeds, what it does for you is it takes you to the list of existing feeds and who added the feed. Take for example, we have the title, the created dates, we have the class, we have added by, we have the session, and of course we have the action button and also the enable and the disable switch. So here we come to add feed. On the top right corner here, you come to add feed, and then when you click on add feed, you click on the title of the feed. As always, there's always a title that comes with the feed. So the title for this feed is going to be mathematics class, and then you select the session, which is the current session. Just leave that natural, it proceeds on its own, or you could just say primary 2. And then the content of this feed, you can add photos, you can add text and other things as such. Alrighty then, so come here, you say that the mathematics class, I'll speed this up to make it faster. Alright then, so under the upload of image, you could just come and upload. So this is the photo we'll be adding to this, and yeah, the photo has been added. So here we click on, and of course there are arrays of options you have here. You can choose to bolden your text, make it italic, underline it, and other activities you can also make. So you click on save, and the moment you click on save, you have feed has been added successfully. Now under primary 2, you can see it says this feed was added on 14th of November 2020. So let us take you to where it appears on the app. So join us right now. We are on the app, and this is where we're going to click on the SchoolTry as it is seen on the screen. This is the mobile interface of the SchoolTry app, and then once you click on the app, you see the feed. As a matter of fact, the feed is what you're looking at. So we click on the app right now, and this is the feed of what we just released on the dashboard from the back end on SchoolTry's administrative login. So this is how the feed really looks like on the SchoolTry's portal. And of course, you can click on the like button as well to like the feed, and also that way we also get to know that people are actually acknowledging the feed itself. Alrighty then, and so that is it on how we're going to be wrapping up on the SchoolTry's video. Back to the web interface. Alrighty then, and that was it. You discovered that was a very intriguing moment for you to actually add feed as an admin or as a teacher on SchoolTry. If you love this video, click on the like button. For further videos, click on the notification icon, and also ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.